Have you ever thought about the distances between planets? Take a look at this dilemma. Here is a picture of Venus. And here's a picture of Earth. When they are the closest together, Venus and Earth, they are 38 million kilometers apart. We can rewrite 38 million kilometers using scientific notation. We can say that 38 million kilometers is equal to 3.8 times 10 to the 7th kilometers. Now let's say that you were on a space shuttle and you had traveled 15% of the distance from Earth to Venus. How many kilometers would you have traveled? Well, this is a percent problem that involves scientific notation, and you're going to learn how to solve it right now. So again, what do we want to find out? We want to find out what 15% of 38 million is. Million kilometers. But we're not going to use million kilometers, we're going to use scientific notation. So we're going to find out what 15% of 3.8 times 10 to the 7th power is equal to. Well, the first thing we're going to do to solve this problem is we're going to turn this percent into a decimal. We get rid of the percent sign, we move the decimal 2 places to the left. We have 0.15. When we look at a percent problem, the word of becomes multiplication. 3.8 times 10 to the 7th. Now the next thing we can do is we can work just with this beginning part. And we can multiply 0.15 times 3.8. When we multiply 0.15 times 3.8, we get 0.57. And now we can bring that down into our answer, and we can say 0.57 times 10 to the 7th is the distance we have traveled. Now, if we want to figure out how many actual kilometers that is, we can move our decimal point. And we can move it 7 places to the right. So that would be 5, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's put in our commas. And we have gone 5,700,000 kilometers at 15% of the distance. This is how we can solve a percent problem using scientific notation.